Yokoso from Japan. I realized that big hands are very funny looking, so I decided I wanted one in my screen capture. I suppose this would be best for maximum funny. Say, like my t-shirt? Shepherd Middle School Wrestling. Got it for 300 yen at a sale in Machida yesterday. If you know the used clothing store around the station, go there and you can get some good deals. Okay, this video is about a jazz bar that I overheard as I was on the streets one night. And I got dragged in and I had an odd experience. The music was really cool and I was glad to support the bar, but I ended up paying a lot more than I expected, and it wasn't the bar's fault at all. It was a customer's. Darn customer. Anyways, I blogged about it at Jib TV, that thing I do with Tokyo Kuni and Apple Milk 1984 to drop some names. So go see it. And now, without further ado, here is some jazz. Jazz hands. Jazz fingers? No, those are spirit fingers. I failed. Yo!